everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you all would be fine. Today I am going to share some wonderful ideas for cloth organization. We will make no cost organizers for your wardrobe. So let's start. Here I have taken an old cloth. You can take your shawl or stoller. Fold the cloth in this way as I am doing. And it's very easy to make and it will take just 10 minutes to make it. Just you have to fold the whole cloth in this way. And I have done now. We often throw away our old clothes, but after watching this video, you will never throw away your old shawls or stollers. And now we will need 2 hangers. I have taken here, and after this, put the hanger on one side of this stoller. Look at this. In this way, put the hanger over it, and now you can stitch it with a sewing machine, or if you don't want to stitch, then you can also attach it with safety pins. At this time I am using the safety pins, and you can attach hanger with safety pin like this. We will need 2 or 3 safety pins on one side. By using this organizer, you can organize a lot of clothes in a very small space. And I have done from one side. Similarly, we will attach hanger on other side. And it's quite no cost. We are making it from old cloth. And definitely it will save your money. And if you purchase organizers from market, they are very expensive, so you will have to spend a lot of money. But this organizer is of no cost. If you find the video useful, then leave a beautiful comment and give a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and family members, and also subscribe my channel. And I have done from other side also. Attach the hanger with 3 safety pins, and here I have taken a cardboard, and we will put the cardboard inside the stoller. You can take cardboard of empty shoe box and put it inside the stoller. And I have done. You can also use more safety pins to fix the stoller, and this organizer is ready. Now hang this organizer in your almirah, and you can organize a lot of clothes in it. You can organize a lot of clothes in a very small space by using this organizer. I hope you will like this idea. Now let's go to the next idea. Here I have taken a shopping bag. We often go to the market and take things in such type of shopping bags, but we often waste it. But after watching this video, you will never throw away such type of shopping bags because we are using it as a cloth organizer. You can keep your clothes in such type of bags also. You can organize a lot of clothes in it. You can use 2 or 3 bags according to your need. I am using here just 1 bag to show you. And you can organize your shirts, your trousers, winter clothes and summer clothes as you want to organize. And I have organized a lot of clothes. It's very big, and after that you can place it in your almirah. I hope you will also like this idea. And now let's go to the idea number 3. That's also very amazing. Here I have taken a plastic bag. We often go to the market and take clothes in such type of plastic bags, and we often waste them. But after watching this video, you will never throw away such type of plastic bags because we are using it to organize our clothes. Here I have taken a dress and it's very expensive, and I'm using this plastic bag to keep this dress. And this will be safe in this plastic bag from dust. So you can keep your expensive dresses in such type of plastic bags. They will be safe from dust. And then keep it in your almirah. If you like these cloth organization ideas, give a thumbs up to encourage me. And subscribe also. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.